Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for science exams. First, thoroughly understand your exam format and syllabus. This includes knowing the types of questions and the weightage of each topic. Next, create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Finally, prioritize conceptual clarity over rote memorization to build a strong foundation for success. To master key concepts, begin by breaking down complex topics into smaller, more manageable parts. This makes learning less overwhelming and more effective. Utilize visual aids like diagrams, flowcharts, and mind maps to enhance your understanding and retention. Don't forget to practice solving a variety of numerical problems to solidify your grasp of formulas and applications. Regular practice and revision are crucial for exam success. Make it a point to solve previous year's question papers and various sample tests to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern. Identify your weak areas and dedicate extra study time to strengthen them. Actively recall information and quiz yourself frequently to reinforce your learning and improve retention. On exam day, ensure you get adequate sleep the night before to stay refreshed and focused. When you receive your paper, read all instructions carefully before attempting any questions. During the exam, manage your time effectively, allocating appropriate minutes to each section. Stay calm, confident, and trust in your preparation to perform your best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.